Is this your tiny house?
Yes, this is a little hut.
Okay. First, where's the living room?
I see it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and we have like 2 TVs, you know. You know, like there's like a TV. I don't know where's the other TV.
Okay, so this is the
We
couch.
have one TV.
Yep, and we have another one.
This is the dining table.
Yes, the dining table's right here.
And where's the TV?
The TV's up there.
Oh, right here. Oh, the TV's up there.
Okay, why don't you show the
And
rest
then,
of the house?
okay, where's the closet?
It's right here.
Supplies,
Yep, that's
toilet
the
paper, and all that. And what's this?
And that's where you put your
Pillows
Yep,
and blankets. Okay,
Yeah.
and then
you need to take the west
where's the bathroom?
the bathroom's right here.
Okay. And
It's very
okay,
squishy in the
so there's one toilet.
There's another toilet.
And is there a shower?
Yes, it's right next by the sink, of course.
Oh, okay. Ooh,
So nice. Thank you.
so nice. You can
Thank
get
you.
in.
Yes, I also have white. Since I can see it stared in the dark.
Oh, right here. Look.
Yep.
Let's turn on the light. Okay.
You can turn it on.
Okay, turn it on. See what shower we have here.
We have this. It's automatic.
Oh, and then there is the soap.
Yep. Yep, this way is automatic.
Nice. That is
Yep.
really pretty.
Yep,
And
when
this
I
is
say-
the sink.
Yep, when I say turn off the light, it turns off.
That is cute. This
Yep.
is really cute.
Yep, how about you say turn off the shower light?
And then this is the fridge.
Yep, it turns off for 5 seconds.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so the
You stepped on my butt.
fridge. Sorry. So there's
Alright.
coffee,
Yep, and we have a huge,
microwave, or is that oven or microwave?
it's an oven.
Okay.
Yep, we never have microwaves here.
So this is one right here.
Yep,
And this is where we can cook.
Yep,
Okay.
two. And here is the huge thing.
How about the cabinets under the sink?
Oh, this one.
No, the bottom
Oh,
one.
this one.
Yeah. What's in there?
There is
Oh,
lots.
okay.
There's the trash can.
Just yeah, paper towels.
Yep.
What's
And
next?
Here is all of the cooking supplies.
Oh, cooking supplies.
Yep, like
Oh,
a frying pan for breakfast, and like bowls for cake
Okay.
and stuff.
okay.
Yep, and it, oh my god.
Spoons.
Yep, spoons and forks and knives and stuff, you know. Did the
Okay.
Vivian chocolate pie.
Okay. And then
And look at this. This is so
and then what's next?
And we have candles.
How about where are you gonna sleep tonight?
Yep, there is a huge bed up there.
Oh, there is a huge bed up there.
Yep, and yep. And here is a weird closet, which actually has no wheels. No wheels, just stays there. And you can like stand on it. But it's only for kids. To stand.
It's only for kids.
Yeah, to stand, no adults. Yep, and I swear I saw him on TV.
Our sleeping arrangement. The couch was a full pull-out couch. So me and Vivian sleep here. And
And well,
Daddy sleep upstairs. Yeah.
It's a cute little light bulb. And actually it's like a small little roof house.
Yep. And this what I did in our stuff. The tote is right there. So just enough for us to have access to the bathroom. Alright, good night.
Night.